Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D Teapoy design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go workspace, switch, 3D modeling, tick. Okay, drawing units, you can enter length, decimal, precision 0, insertion scale, select millimeters. Okay, now go rectangle, rec enter, dimension D enter, 400 enter, 750 enter, click here, Z enter, A enter, zoom all, more, M enter, select rectangle, convert to arc, auto on, type 50mm distance. Okay, convert to arc, 50mm, enter. Okay, rectangle, rec enter, first corner, dimension D enter, 35 enter, 35, click here, more, M enter, select object. Okay, mirror, select object, mirror line, enter, repeat mirror, select object, mirror line, enter. Okay, rectangle, first corner, other corner point, offset 5mm, enter. Now go view control, SW isometric. Okay, go press full, select line, $25mm, enter, exit, press full, click here, okay, exit. Now select polyline and solid object, go isolate object, hide object. Okay, now go press pull, click external rectangle, distance 10mm, enter. Okay, internal rectangle, polyline, delete, again press full, select multiple, M enter, select, okay, enter, length, distance 450, enter. Okay, now go unisolate object, click here, end object isolation. Okay, solid subtract, select this solid, enter, select this solid, enter. Okay, for union, select tabletop, select, enter. Okay, select solid, isolate object, hide object, go press full, click here, length 10mm, enter, go quick select, cube, select object area, select, enter, object type, polyline. Okay, now delete. Okay, Now go on isolate object, click here, enter object isolation, go visual style control, realistic, okay, visual style control, 2D wireframe, okay, go 3D polyline, start point, auto on, 25mm, enter, 20mm, enter, 30mm, enter, 20mm, enter, close, C, enter, click polyline, remove vertex line, okay. Now go view control, select top, click here, select view, okay, select 3D polyline, mirror, MI, enter, mirror line, enter, okay, okay. Again go view control, this W isometric, okay, okay, go extrude, select 3D polyline, enter, enter, click here, repeat extrude, select polyline, enter, enter, click here, okay, go control view, top, click here, select view, okay, mirror, MI, enter, select solid, enter, mirror line, enter, repeat mirror, select solid, mirror line, click here, enter, okay, go view control, W isometric, select solid object, go isolate object, height object, okay, go origin, click here, press F8, click here, okay, click here, select rotate center axis Y, okay, press F8, auto on, rotation angle -90, enter, okay, go line, L, enter, first point, length 10mm, enter, exit, repeat line, first point, length 10mm, enter, okay, exit. Now go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 5mm, enter. Now go extrude, select circle, enter, enter, click here, okay, let's see, okay, view control, W isometric, okay. Now go material browser, click here, select AutoCAD library, click here, select glass, blue glazing, select, drag and drop here, AutoCAD library, select wood, select mahogany natural forest, drag and drop, AutoDesk library, flooring, floor pile, material, select, drag and drop. Okay, select timber rod, select material. Okay, now go copy, CO enter, select rod, enter, base point, array A, enter, array items 25, enter, fit F, enter, click here. Okay, exit, delete line, delete line. Okay, go unisolate object, end object isolation. Okay, copy, CO enter, select solid, enter, base point, click here. Okay, exit, go union, select object, select, 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 enter. Okay, now select Teapoy, select material, click here. Okay, select object, go isolate object, hide object, select 3D solid, select material, blue glazing. Okay, isolate object, end object isolation. Okay, now exit from material browser, go solid, fillet edge, radius 3 mm, enter, select edge, select, select, select. Okay, enter, 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 repeat, fillet edge, radius or enter, radius 1 mm, enter, select edge, select. Okay, enter, enter, enter. Okay, now go home, click world coordinate. Okay, click here, show UCS icon, go view control, select top coordinate, click here, select view, plane surface, wave control, SW isometric, visual style control, realistic, select surf, 3D mode, click here, 450, enter. Okay, material browser, select surf, assign to selection. Okay, exit from material browser. Okay, zoom, set enter, right click, perspective, okay, now go visualize, go render environment, click on use custom background, tick background, select solid, click here. Okay, okay, close, go render size full HD TV. Okay, now render. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.